What's up, GNCRC gang? I'm back once again with another unboxing, whatever you want to call it. This is a special one because this is a new sponsor. This company reached out to me probably been about 2-3 weeks ago, and I actually didn't see the email until I looked in the spam. I guess I don't know, a week or so after they sent it, and they knew all about the channel. They knew all about the Instagram, pretty much the TikTok and everything. They wanted to be a sponsor, and they wanted to send me some stuff. So they asked me about one of the things that I did want, and I'm very excited to see if it's in here. I'm sure it is. Let me go ahead and get this thing open. Cut everything, but this is my first time officially opening it. I think I got everything out of it. So we're gonna start here first. So you guys see who that is. RC all-wheel drive. I even got them to throw in, we got 2 shirts here. I got them to throw in a second shirt because I am gonna do a giveaway. One of these shirts. So I'm assuming this one's gonna probably fit me. Well, I don't know, these are about the same size. But we're gonna do a giveaway on one of these shirts. RC all-wheel drive. Shout out to you guys. See what else we have here. Like we got some banners here. I may even give out a set of these as well. 3 of the small ones. And we're gonna see how that works. We got some 3M stickers in here. And inside of here, let's see what we have, guys. First we'll start here. We have some stickers. Got several sticker sheets. I'm gonna probably give away a few of these also with the shirt. Got quite a few of those. We have some shocks. Perfect color. And we have something that I've been wanting a good while. I just never got around to getting any. We have the portals, guys. Very excited about this. Just don't know what build I'm gonna put it on. All right, so we got a ton of stuff. I want to say thank you to RC All-Wheel Drive. I'm gonna be working with them on some stuff in the future. I'm gonna keep you guys updated. I'm gonna keep you guys updated on the shirt giveaway as well. But wait, that's not it. I have more. You got to stay tuned to see what else I have from RC All-Wheel Drive. So of course I didn't forget you guys. I do have a discount code with RC All-Wheel Drive as well. The code is going to be GNCRC AWD 5, and that will get you 5% off of their products. So that code once again is GNCRC AWD 5. So just think about GNCRC all-wheel drive and put a 5 behind it. That's going to get you 5% off their products. I'll have that in the description as well. So in closing, I want to thank RC All-Wheel Drive for this sponsorship. I look forward to working with you guys. Got a lot going on. We're gonna see more products from these guys. So make sure you guys stay tuned. And I also want to give a shout out to all my subscribers and all the people that are not subscribed. And if you're not subscribed, if you hit that subscribe button for me, it'll be greatly appreciated. Till next time, guys, this is GNCRC.